2.
Hello and welcome back to this week's Quick Hit, a series of unsolicited talks, this week brought to you by the members and subscribers of the open source GA channel. Because of you, I am able to this year, for the very first time, get media credentials to go here, Oshkosh, Wisconsin. And just to prove to you how horrible you are at geography, this is not Oshkosh, Wisconsin. This is Oshkosh, Wisconsin. But we're going to Oshkosh. We're going to EAA AirVenture 2026, and I will have official media credentials to be able to do cool things such as take videos of airplanes and products, which is exactly what I would have done even if I didn't have media credentials. But I feel like I need to deliver more value to you. And so because we are going to Oshkosh as a channel, I will have, for any member or subscriber on the channel, a sticker. Now, there are only 50 of these, so hopefully you all get one. Members are definitely getting one because I will mail it out to you if you're not coming to Oshkosh, but subscribers, these are limited and special edition. I will make sure to hold them only for people that prove that they're subscribed. But we're gonna be at Oshkosh. I'm planning to park in the vintage aircraft parking or vintage aircraft camping. And if I can't get into either one of those spots, I'm planning to go into the South 40 with my 1963 Beechcraft Bonanza Model P35 November 8636 mic. I'm not doing a mass arrival. I'm just gonna show up, I think, on Sunday and stay through Thursday. But because I want to deliver even more value to you, I'm going to pause right now and tell you that my microphone is actually just a rib of the aileron on a Beechcraft Bonanza. Is it my Beechcraft Bonanza? No. That would be very tragic. What am I doing with it? None of your business, at least not just yet. But we're going to hang out at Oshkosh, and I'm going to give 4 of you an opportunity to sign up. I may open this up a little bit more depending on how busy I get, but if you are interested in coming to see me and having an interview about general aviation, your experiences in general aviation, your airplane, the one you want to buy, the flying that you've done in the past, if you want to do anything like that, there's a link in the description of this video. You can pop down there, sign up for a time slot where we will sit down and on camera kind of hash out your past and really discuss your future in general aviation. So Oshkosh, let's do great things. If you want me to review something while I'm there, see something specifically and put it up into an episode on the channel, please leave a comment below and let's get this dialogue started. It's only a couple weeks away. I am ready. My brother's coming along. He's going to see it for the first time. And I'm going to hopefully take a lot of you all with me through the channel. So thanks for your support. I hope to see you at Oshkosh. And if I don't, be a member. You will get a sticker. There's also a special edition sticker right under my thumb that you can't really see right now. That's going to be for a different story. But we'll talk to you soon. Stay safe. See you at Oshkosh. Check out the setup. Got lights in the background, softening up some stuff. I still have a old, dilapidated, falling apart key light right in front of me here. I can't adjust the brightness. One of these days, I'll take the money that I'm making from the channel. By the way, every video that I put out probably makes like $7. So it takes a lot. It takes a lot of video time to get to the point where I'm actually making enough to buy nice things, except just coming out of pocket and sucking it up anyway. But we're gonna get new lighting. We're gonna do all kinds of cool stuff, and we'll be able to do even more with this space. If you're wondering what's behind me, it's actually a Beechcraft Bonanza. It's an A36 Bonanza. We're a Microsoft Flight Simulator once again, and I've just been doing some instrument training. So there's a GTN 750 there, and set up like in 8636 mic. So yeah, we're still kind of hanging out here and building out the studio space day by day. I'm really doing it so that I can make more content like this for you. All right, we're going to Oshkosh. One of these is yours if you come to Oshkosh or if you are a member of the channel.